How do you pack for 3 weeks in Sweden, Norway, and Finland in the dead of winter and still fit everything into one suitcase? That's the challenge I'm taking on today. From staying warm enough to chase the northern lights to packing the perfect outfit for exploring magical Christmas markets, today I am sharing my best tips, tricks, and packing strategies to survive and thrive above the Arctic Circle. Let's go. Before we dive into packing, I want to take a moment to thank Jollying Luggage for sponsoring this video. I am so excited to be packing with their Pebble Light line. And let me tell you, these are not your ordinary suitcases. What I love most about the Pebble Light is its innovative design. Did you know that this suitcase can actually compress from 11 inches to just 4 inches when it's not in use? That means when I'm home or even on the go, I am saving so much space. For those of you who have been around for a while, you know I live in a pretty small 1970s trailer, so space is at a minimum here. So being able to compress the luggage down to be able to store it is perfect for me. But it's not just about storage. These suitcases are perfect travel companions. They're strong, yet incredibly lightweight, which means all of my essentials are perfectly protected without adding unnecessary weight. And let's talk about style. They are sleek, modern, very elegant, and just kind of, adds a little bit of panache when I am working my way through a busy airport or even a train station, possibly in Scandinavia. And the wheels, they glide like a dream. Jollying calls it a silent travel experience. And they're not kidding. Whether I am rushing through that crowded airport or walking down a quiet hallway of a hotel, these wheels roll so smoothly and quietly that I hardly even notice them. I mean, and that's ideal for a suitcase. Jollying Luggage is all about creating travel gear that's practical, playful, and valuable, and they have definitely nailed it with this Pebble Light line. These suitcases aren't just functional, they make travel easier and so much more enjoyable. If you're looking for luggage that keeps up with your adventures and simplifies your life, definitely check out Jollying. I'm going to have a link to all of the details in the description box below so you can learn more and possibly grab your own, maybe as a Christmas gift this year. Now let's get to packing and see how much I can fit into one of these beauties. Okay, it's time for me to show you the magic of these suitcases. So the design is ingenious, like I said before. You have these flaps inside the cloth part of the suitcase that you just pull up and then you snap them, and then it gives the suitcase the rigidity that you need for packing in it. And it does end up being more of a clamshell style suitcase. There is a little bit of a shallow area that you can pack behind this flap here. That might be where I put my jackets. I haven't decided yet since this is my first time packing this, but it does end up being a clamshell, which in some ways I think works better with the compression packing cubes. So I am planning on wearing my new Sorel shoes on the plane. So I am going to be packing my boots in here, and I am going to be putting socks and underwear and all of that type of stuff shoved into my boots to save some space. Well, I think that is everything. If you're not quite sure what winter weather travel essentials you need to take with you on your next cold weather vacation, check out this video next. I want to give a big thank you to all of you who continue to come back and watch these videos and help grow this amazing, positive community of fellow adventure travelers. I hope that you have safe, warm, and wonderful travels this holiday season.